Yeah, it's 5 in the morning. Actually, it's a little bit after 5. It's almost 5:20. I'm doing laundry. Yeah, I'm in the mood for some home fries. Some hash browns, actually. I'm debating if I should make food or buy food. What I'm really debating is if I should really go take a nap after I'm done doing laundry. I'm doing laundry right now. I'm waiting for the clothes to finish washing. I woke up at 3:30 in the morning. And as you can tell, I'm very yawny. Yeah, that lady does not know how to park. That's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see, like, she didn't like park like close to the curb. She's wild. I'm out here blabbing about nonsense.